NFT Analysis. Explain what NFT and use cases are. Dive into blockchain structure. Research 11 NFT marketplaces. Differentiate. What are NFTs? Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are digital assets that are unique and cannot be exchanged for other assets on a one-to-one basis. They are stored on a blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger that allows for secure and transparent record keeping. NFTs can represent a wide range of digital assets, including art, collectibles, in-game items, and more. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable and have a fixed value, NFTs have unique characteristics and can have varying values depending on their rarity and demand. They also often have additional metadata attached to them, such as ownership information, provenance, and other details that make them unique. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, offer a number of benefits that make them a valuable technology for various industries. Following are some of the key benefits. 1. Immutability. NFTs are stored on a blockchain. This means that the information contained in an NFT cannot be altered or tampered with, providing a permanent record of ownership and provenance. 1. Scarcity. NFTs can be created in limited quantities, making them rare and valuable. This can increase the value and demand for NFTs, particularly in the case of digital art or collectibles. 1. Ownership verification. NFTs provide a verifiable and immutable record of ownership, which can be important in industries such as art and collectibles where provenance is important. 1. Other benefits. In addition to the above, NFTs offer several other benefits that make them a valuable technology. For example, NFTs can enable the creation of new business models, such as the ability to sell in-game items or assets as NFTs. They can also enable the creation of new types of digital assets, such as virtual real estate or virtual event tickets. As the use of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has grown in popularity, questions have been raised about the cultural and societal implications of this new technology. Mentioning just some of the implications. 1. Widening the gap between the haves and the have-nots. One potential concern about NFTs is that they could widen the gap between those who are able to afford them and those who are not. For example, if access to certain types of digital content is limited to those who can afford to purchase NFTs, it could exclude certain segments of the population. 1. Democratizing the art world. On the other hand, some argue that NFTs have the potential to democratize the art world by allowing artists to sell their work directly to buyers, bypassing traditional gatekeepers. This could enable a wider range of artists to gain exposure and sell their work, potentially leading to a more diverse and vibrant art scene. 1. Changing the way we think about ownership. The concept of ownership is also being challenged by NFTs. For example, if a digital artwork is sold as an NFT, does the buyer truly own the artwork, or are they simply purchasing the right to display it? Use cases. There is a vast number of NFT applications. Let's mention some most popular ones. Footprint categorization of NFTs. 1. Collections. NFTs can be used to represent physical or virtual collectibles, such as trading cards, figurines, or in-game items. By creating an NFT for a collectible, the creator can prove ownership and scarcity, and buyers can verify the authenticity of the collectible they are purchasing. Collectibles were the first type of NFT to go mainstream. Way back in 2017, people started paying top money for strange types of computer pictures called curio cards, rare peeps, and CryptoPunks. Within a few years, the word NFT became a household item, and utility-free profile pics, meant for holding and collecting, became synonymous with this class of digital asset. Then came Bored Ape Yacht Club, MAYC, etc., all trying to turn the communities around these collectibles into something greater. BYC, MAYC, and CryptoPunks are the largest collections by market cap, trading volume, and floor price. They are the most popular projects compared to the art and digital asset game categories and are also listed in the NFT Blue Chip Index. Footprint Analytics Blue Chip NFT. 1. Art. Screenshot source OpenSea art types. Another popular genre of NFT is digital art. NFTs can be used to represent digital art, such as paintings, illustrations, and other visual media. By creating an NFT for a piece of digital art, the artist can prove ownership and scarcity, and buyers can verify the authenticity of the art they are purchasing. Most impressively, Beeple's Everydays, the first 5,000 days, sold for a whopping $69.3 million at auction in March 2021. It has prompted the NFT art type to set off a wave again, and NFT art projects continue to emerge. For example, the representative project is Art Blocks Curated, which ranks 7th in terms of transaction volume in the past 30 days. Screenshot source top collections. 1. Games. Many games currently have a play-to-earn model, where each character inside the game is an NFT, such as in-game avatars, equipment, and cards. Players can acquire these digital assets by participating in the game, and they believe that the uniqueness, scarcity, transferability, and provable ownership characteristics of NFTs are of great significance in enhancing the value of in-game items. However, after NFT began to gain popularity in early 2021, it became clear that the P2E game program combined with NFT had appealed to many. According to the data, the number of users participating in the games increased month by month until it reached an all-time peak in January 2022. Footprint Analytics monthly GameFi users. Axie Infinity was one of the first to use this model to get players to spend more and more time in the game. The most visible country is the Philippines, where hundreds of thousands of people play NFT games every day. During the epidemic, they were able to earn more income by playing games than with conventional employment. Then came the emergence of various modes of gaming-related applications such as M2E. 1. Sports. NBA Top Shot is one of the most successful cases of partnership between pro sports and NFTs. NBA Top Shot is essentially a basketball card collection in NFT form with its own marketplace. One of the most famous clips from the NBA Top Shot is a clip of LeBron James dunking, part of the Throwdown series, which currently sells for more than $380,000, making it one of the most expensive sports collectibles ever made. 1. Domain names. ENS domains are built on the Ethereum blockchain and are custom crypto wallets that contain recognizable names or numbers. They simplify the typical Ethereum address, which is just a long string of alphanumeric characters, the most popular of which is .eth. They allow users to send and receive funds more easily. ENS domain names can be used for website addresses and applications, and can also be sold as NFTs. Users can register domains on the Ether Names Service website for between $5 and $640 ETH. ENS. Ethereum Names Service has ranked in the top 10 in terms of transaction volume for the past 6 months, according to Footprint Analytics rankings. In September alone, the number of new registrations reached 437,000. The surge in user interest is mainly due to the fact that these domains can be traded for millions of dollars. However, the biggest disadvantage of encrypted domains is that most browsers don't currently support them. 1. Virtual worlds. Property in Decentraland by John Lamb at 29-5. Virtual worlds include digital games and lands in the metaverse. While still highly speculative, this category of NFT has huge potential, with the possibility of being used for ads in digital games, creating virtual assets, and more. These are just a few examples of the many types of NFTs that exist. NFTs can represent a wide range of digital assets, and the use cases for NFTs are constantly evolving. Why blockchain? Blockchain technology plays a key role in the creation and functioning of NFTs. When an NFT is created, it is stored on the blockchain and given a unique identifier, known as a smart contract. This smart contract contains information about the NFT, such as its ownership, provenance, and other details that make it unique.
The use of blockchain technology in NFTs has several benefits. It allows for secure and transparent record keeping, as the blockchain is decentralized and cannot be altered or tampered with. It also allows for verifiable ownership and provenance, as the information stored on the blockchain is permanent and cannot be altered. More technical details about the implementation within smart contracts will be provided later.
There are several NFT standards that have been developed to ensure interoperability and compatibility between different NFT projects. Here are a few examples. 1. ERC 721. This is a standard for NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. It defines a set of rules for creating and managing NFTs, including the ability to transfer ownership and track the history of an NFT. 1. ERC 1155. This is a standard that combines the features of both ERC 20 and ERC 721, allowing for the creation of both fungible and non-fungible tokens in a single smart contract. 1. ERC 998. This is a standard for composable NFTs, which are NFTs that can contain other NFTs as part of their metadata. 1. BP 721. This is a standard for NFTs on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, which is a blockchain platform developed by Binance. It is similar to the ERC 721 standard, but is specific to the BSC. Those were just the examples for NFT implementations on EVM. As the use of NFTs continues to evolve, new standards may be developed to meet the needs of different projects and use cases. What's metadata? Metadata is important in the NFT industry because it allows NFTs to contain additional information beyond just their unique identifier. This can be particularly useful for NFTs that represent digital assets such as art, collectibles, or in-game items. For example, an NFT for a digital art piece might include metadata about the artist, the title of the piece, the date it was created, and other details. This metadata can help to provide context and background information about the NFT, making it more valuable and desirable to collectors. In addition, metadata can be used to encode rules or restrictions on the use or transfer of an NFT. For example, an NFT for a virtual real estate asset might include metadata that specifies the terms of ownership, such as whether the owner can sell or lease the property. In the case of the Moonmen collection, the metadata is the NFT's name, photo, description, and other characteristic attributes. In the case of NFT game cards, the metadata may contain attributes such as level, rarity, and quality. The data for one of the NFT metadata in the Moonmen series above shows. Name: Moonmen number 1.